Welcome to everybody. In this exceptional historical period, we thank Verona Fiere for the opportunity offered through Marmo Macri Start to be able to reach all our customers worldwide. We would certainly have preferred to meet you in person, which we hope will happen soon. In the meantime, we want to take advantage of this opportunity to virtually invite you to our stand and especially to our company. We will let you enter our world, and after a brief introduction about our story and our products, we will list the live events that we have organized for the next few days, during which we will deepen our products live from our company in Rimini. Do not miss them. My name is Paola Rota and I work in Achilli as a sales director. The company was founded in 1950 and provides customers with an experience of about 70 years. In Rimini, all our products are designed, manufactured and submitted to rigorous testing, allowing us to ensure full control of the production cycle, totally made in Italy. This is the reason why a few years ago we got the prestigious Marmo Macchine mark, dedicated to a few Italian companies that have a production completely made on Italian territory. Thanks to a flexible business strategy that focuses on the real everyday needs of our customers, we are able to satisfy any requests. We operate in accordance with a policy of high quality while respecting the rules and parameters recognized in the international markets, where we export 95% of our production. Our priority is customer service. We want to establish a willing cooperation with our clients that goes far beyond mere supply of machinery. To us, the value of the person is essential. In our company, we are like a big family. Our mission is the complete satisfaction of those who turn to us. It's a primary goal that we pursue day by day with dedication and professionalism. Our production range is made of 3 different lines: floor machines, construction saws, stone machineries. I will try to give you a general overview on all our models, looking at a few pictures. The floor machines are divided into different types of product. The traditional models, capable of unmatchable grinding and polishing finish on all types of materials. The mono-rotating head polisher, the most user-friendly machine, used for removing superficial scratches, warranting a high degree of polishing, but not capable of grinding, leveling the surfaces. One of the main problems that floor grinding operators have to face is the uneven surface, which, if not properly ground, even when polished to the final result, will be unpleasant, looking more like an orange skin with hollows. The long experience taught us how to treat the different materials. With the help of tools supplier, we are proud to state that we have a solution for every types of floors, even the toughest ones. We have models with single and three-phase motor, with fixed or variable rotation speed, with Cassani and Frankfurt plate, planetary head with 3 or 4 abrasive rollers, accessories for bashhammering and brushing. The construction saw can be divided in 3 types of products, all of them with built-in water recycling tank. The smallest models made for tiles having a rubber work table, available with rolling table or sliding head according to the client's preferred way of working. The traditional construction saws with plunge cut mechanism to cut any types of construction materials, available with stainless steel water tank or completely made of aluminum. The special models equipped with larger blade from 650 to 1000 mm in diameter. According to the type of job the client has to perform, we can recommend him the specific model. What makes a difference in the choice of the correct model is the type of bridge, as its shape influences the good results of the job. You are welcome to visit our virtual booth or attend our live events on our social pages, Facebook and Instagram, whose schedule will be explained in details at the end of this introduction. The stone machinery represents 65% of our production. They include a huge variety of products, and it's almost impossible to determine some specific models because we create new models almost every month. As I was mentioning in Achilli's mission, our target is to give solutions. This is the reason why we customize our machines. We create what customer wants and we enjoy doing it. To help you visualize our activity, I will try to highlight a few models. I will start from a basic cutting machine, in between a construction and a professional stone cutting machine. The bridge of this saw is very precise, rectified on 6 surfaces. A unique model where we put attention on details. A double screw for vertical movement, good for the construction materials but necessary to perform accurate cuts on granite and hard materials. The possibility to mount more than one blade and carry out anti-slip grooves on the step surfaces. The possibility to add an optional device to profile and polish straight edges made this machine a must-have for all the stone fabricators. The high demand for being independent in cutting full slabs brought us to develop a line of saws with fixed bridge, with a cutting capacity up to 3,500 mm, with variable features. Motors with different power, the possibility to have a variable speed on the main motor, as well as the possibility to mount different blade diameters. Everything again with a long list of optional accessories, all of them designed to make fabricators' job easier and most accurate. And for those who need to cut a full slab on site, we have the solution too. A rail saw equipped with rails in different sizes, which can be easily carried into a van or even a car, and that is able to cut granite up to 4 cm in thickness. Another important item of our production is the miter saw, which has been getting more and more success over the last few years. By positioning of the slab face down, 45-degree cuts are perfect on any material, as the thickness difference on calibrated slab will not affect the perfection of the cut. And now, our core business, the production of bridge saws. From the simplest model, where everything is moved manually, up to the more sophisticated solutions, where a CNC unit controls all the functions of the saw. Bridges mounted on existing concrete walls or dedicated posts, or better, monoblock frame, allowing you to install the saw with no need to have a technician coming from Italy. Fixed table, turning table, tilting table, or better, 2 or 4 position manual head rotation, or hydraulic head rotation by push buttons, or again, fully automatic. The possible solutions are so many, and we are happy to study with you the ideal one, according to your real needs. Yes, this may take some time for our production. We seldom have saws ready in stock, but I think it's priceless to wait a little longer but get what you really want. All saws with CNC can be equipped with different levels of software, from the basic version up to the upgraded and most sophisticated ones. But all of them are user-friendly, with an interface and guided programs to help you create what you need, from a single cut up to a complete cutting program. In the pictures shown, you can see some of the jobs performed by our customers. I conclude introducing another type of product we have, which I like to define manual working centers. They can do exactly what an expensive CNC working center will do, but all the processing is manual, following a template. The result is indeed the same, good looking and accurate, as if it was manufactured on an expensive machine. The good thing is that these solutions are tailor-made for small fabricators who make a few kitchens per month, buy Chinese slabs, sometimes need to rectify the surface, and want to profile and polish the edges. We consider the models top and smart all in one machine. Purchase them is like having a cutting machine, a profiler, a polisher, a single head surface polisher, and much more. The only limit is your fantasy. I know I gave you quite a few information, hoping to have aroused lively interest. Take advantage of our upcoming live events on our social pages, Facebook and Instagram. The first live will start today, Italian time, at 1 o'clock, followed by 2 events tomorrow, Thursday, and 1 on Friday. All these streaming events will be recorded and available in our Facebook page. We conclude sharing with you all our contact details. We are available at our Marmomac Restart online booth for the next 3 days. You can chat or video call us. We also recommend you to follow us on our social pages to stay up to date on all the Achilli news, as well as to visit our website, where you can find information, technical features, pictures and videos about our machinery. Thanks for your kind attention and see you at the next virtual meeting. Ciao ciao!